Orange jam jelly recipe. 4 to 5 large oranges, 1 lemon for added pectin and acidity. 2 cups sugar, adjust to taste. 1. Wash the oranges and lemon thoroughly. 2. Peel the oranges, then remove as much of the white pith as possible, can make the jam bitter. 3. Cut the oranges into small chunks, removing any seeds. 4. Zest the lemon, then juice it, setting both aside. 5. In a large saucepan, add the chopped oranges, lemon zest, and lemon juice. 6. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the fruit begins to soften about 10 to 15 minutes. 7. Add the sugar and stir until it dissolves, taste, and adjust sweetness if needed. 8. Continue to cook the mixture, stirring often until it thickens. This may take 30 to 45 minutes. 9. To check if it's done, place a small spoonful on a cold plate. If it thickens and holds its shape, it's ready. 10. Pour the hot jam into sterilized jars, leaving a little space at the top. 11. Seal the jars, let them cool, then store in the fridge. Tips: storage. This jam should last about 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. Variations: add a cinnamon stick or a pinch of vanilla extract for extra flavor. I hope you liked this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comments section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget to check out the description.